The following video contains important vocabulary from the field of legal English. Please watch it very carefully. There will be a short quiz for you at the end. Legal English by KMP Global Language Services. There are many areas of the law, from family law to international law. The legal system differs in different countries. The aim of this short video is to present vocabulary from the area of criminal law. Let's start. 1. In the courtroom. Criminal law concerns crimes and punishment. Most of us enjoy watching crime dramas and films, so we are already familiar with many words related to the courtroom, such as judge and jury. In front of the judge stands the person accused of a crime. This person is known as the defendant. The accused is represented by a defense lawyer. The lawyer's role is to defend their client. Facing the defense lawyer is the prosecutor. Prosecution is the process of officially accusing someone of committing a crime. A witness is someone who has seen a crime. This person may be called as a witness for the defense or a witness for the prosecution. At the end of the trial, the judge delivers the verdict. The verdict is the official judgment made in court. Verdicts can be simply guilty or not guilty. In some systems, a verdict may be guilty, innocent, or not proven. After this, the judge hands out a sentence. A custodial sentence means that the accused goes to prison or jail. Receiving a fine is an example of a non-custodial sentence. 2. Legal vocabulary. Plea. A plea is a statement made by somebody who is accused of a crime. Let's look at the term plea in context.
The prisoner entered a plea of guilty.
To sue. To sue is to make a claim against a person or an organisation in court about something that they have said or done to harm you. Here's an example sentence.
He sued the company for breaking the contract.
Damages. Damages are an amount of money that a court decides should be paid to somebody by the person or company that has caused them harm or injury. For example,
he was ordered to pay damages totalling €30,000.
Acquit. To acquit somebody of something is to decide and state in court that somebody is not guilty of a crime. For example,
the jury acquitted him of murder.
3. Intellectual property law. There are many specialist areas in the law, such as intellectual property law. Intellectual property is someone's idea, invention, or creation that can be protected by law from being copied by someone else. Lawyers refer to intellectual property rights. For example,
the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, has started a huge debate in the area of intellectual property.
Copyright is the legal right to control the production and selling of a book, play, film, photograph, or a piece of music. For example,
copyright protects your work from being commercially exploited by someone else without your consent.
To infringe means to break a rule, law. For example,
material cannot be copied without infringing copyright.
plagiarism. Plagiarism is the practice of using another person's ideas or work and pretending that it is your own. A person who plagiarizes the work of others is a plagiarist. Let's look at these words in context.
The data used to train many AI models potentially infringes on existing copyrights. Much AI-generated content plagiarizes the existing content on the internet.
Okay, have you been paying attention? Let's finish with a short quiz. Can you remember the following keywords from the video? There are 3 questions. What's the word? Number 1. The decision of a judge in a court case is the verdict.
The decision of a judge in a court case is the verdict.
Number 2. The amount of money that a court decides should be paid to somebody by the person or company that has caused them harm or injury is called damages.
The amount of money that a court decides should be paid to somebody by the person or company that has caused them harm or injury is called damages.
Number 3. The practice of using another person's ideas or work and pretending that it is your own is called plagiarism.
The practice of using another person's ideas or work and pretending that it is your own is called plagiarism.
Well done! You have finished the quiz.
Would you like to do a whole course on legal English?
Then click on the link to our catalogue in the description below.
And get a complete legal English mini-course for free.
This video was brought to you by KMP Global Language Services.